Formatting worksheet. Similar to Word and PowerPoint, Excel also has a font group. To format the data, select the cell or range of cells and then click on Appropriate option in the font group. We can change the font style, bold, italic and underline, border, size, background color and font color of the text in a cell. Border, font size, increase font size, decrease font size, font color, fill color, font, bold, italic, underline, font group. Formatting just changes the way the data appears on the worksheet and not the actual values. The worksheet shown here has been formatted using the various options present in the font group. The fill color, font style and font size of the text is changed and borders have been applied to make the worksheet more presentable. Saving a workbook. To save a workbook, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Save option from the left pane. Or click on the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar. Step 3. The Save As pane appears. Click on Browse option. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 4. Click on the location where you want to save the workbook. Step 5. Type a name for the file in the File Name box and click on the Save button. The workbook will be saved. By default, Excel workbooks are saved with .xlsx extension. Opening an existing workbook. To open an existing workbook, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Open option from the left pane. Step 3. Click on Browse option. The Open dialog box appears. Select the folder where you have saved your workbook. Step 4. Select the file and click on Open button. Closing a workbook. To close a workbook, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click on the Close option from the left pane. This will close the current workbook but not the Excel window. To close the Excel window, click on the Close button. Wrap up. A spreadsheet is an interactive computer application program used for organizing and analyzing data in a tabular form. An Excel file is called a workbook. Each new workbook contains one blank worksheet named Sheet 1 by default. Cell is the intersection of row and column. A worksheet is a spreadsheet which is made up of horizontal rows and vertical columns. We can enter numbers, text, date and time, and formulas in a cell. To change the active cell in a worksheet, we can either use the keyboard or the mouse pointer.